Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today we just got in this brand new 2021 model year Sea Ray 290 SDX. Very sharp color combo, and this boat is loaded up. You've got joystick piloting on board, power windlass, twin Mercury 200s with the white cowlings to match, SeaDek throughout the boat. Starting on the stern here, we've got room for 3 big old sun lounger. Underneath is tons of storage. Nice walkthrough with a freshwater shower head, freshwater sink, and drain basin to the side. Tons of seating throughout this boat, as you can see, even designated cooler, lots of cup holders, table mount, which is stored away right now. Even a fridge as we walk through on the starboard side. The tower is easily collapsible, so if you're keeping this in a high and dry, you might be able to save a little money there for clearance, or if you just have a low bridge to get underneath. Convertible seating both at the helm and on the port side, so you can face backwards. Big Simrad 12-inch touchscreen. There's our joystick piloting system. We have an Optimus on this one. Twin sticks if you want, or because it's electronic, you can run it with one throttle. We've got electronic trim tabs and marine VHF radio mounted, all ready to go. All your electronics are on board, nothing needed to add here. On the port side, nice convenient full head with freshwater sink. Finally walking up through the bow, 2 more big sun loungers and another table that mounts in there. If you guys have any more questions about this boat or any of the other awesome boats that we have in the showroom, give me a call, send me a text, 303-875-3988. Thanks.